Hello, my name's Spike of Spike Photography, and here I am about to unbox my new MacBook Pro. It's the first one I've bought for myself in years, and the one I'm using at the moment is one that's a MacBook going back to 2008, so I'm definitely ready for this one. It's the i9 processor, and looking forward to using it in anger. I've got my trusty Swiss Army knife here to help me with the packaging. So this is actually the official Apple box, which has got a serial number on it and a bit of tape here. So let's cut through this. Be very careful not to make a hole where it shouldn't be. And here we go, it's in here. Exciting, exciting. Oh. Keep the sharp knife out of the way there. So, obviously a bit of cardboard packaging to stop it rattling around in transit. Oh, look at this Bobby Dazzler. MacBook Pro. 16-inch MacBook Pro. 16-inch diagonal screen, LED backlit, 3072 pixels by 1920. So it's kind of HD on the short side. So that's probably equivalent to 2 HD screens side by side. 2.3 gigahertz, 8-core Intel Core i9 with 16 megabytes of shared level 3 cache. 16 gigabytes of 2666 megahertz DDR4 memory, AMD Radeon Pro 5500M with 4 gigabytes of GDDR6 memory. Are you remembering all this? Intel Graphics 630 UHD Graphics, 4 Thunderbolt 3 USB-C ports, and support for high-speed in-out and video out. Headphone jack, always handy. Pity they don't put them on Apple phones anymore. Stereo speakers, touch bar and touch ID. That's this cute little thing that's next to the screen, which changes depending on what program you're using, instead of the old-fashioned function keys. Full-size backlit Magic Keyboard, 802.11 Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5, FaceTime HD camera, very handy for doing videos like this. Pre-installed Mac OS, and it weighs 4.3 pounds, which is 2 kilograms, so 2 bags of sugar. So, here's my trusty Swiss Army knife again. Use a big blade for this one. Oh, actually, maybe I don't. Look at this. Aha. Made it easy to. Oh, look at this. Very, very, very clever. See, Apple are masters at packaging. Some people even make videos of the boxes being unwrapped. It's getting exciting, isn't it? It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. The suspense. Boom. There we go. Oh, tiny little speck on the top there. I'm surprised at that. So, here is the unveiling. Hello Harry, would you like to say hello on my video? As soon as you just walked in the middle of it. Come and stick your head round the corner and say hi. One of my sons come in. In fact, one of my other sons came in when I did take one, so I'm going to say hello and goodbye. Okay, so there's the MacBook itself, and underneath we have, that I guess is the power cord. So that's USB-C to USB-C, Thunderbolt as Apple call it. And then, oh, very, very nice. That's obviously the instruction book. Here is the mains adapter. I've got nice little tabs on. In fact, I should have used that to pull it up. Oh, and that takes all the covering off it. Very, very nice. So that's the socket, obviously, for the USB-C. It's about a 100 watt adapter, I think this one is. So, yeah. Peel that off like that. It's a vicarious thrill watching me take all this off, I'm sure. Click that on like that, and I'm assuming this is just a bit of card to hold it together and not a permanent thing that you're supposed to keep to wrap it up. Always got to be careful with MacBook power adapters not to wrap the power cable too tightly, or you end up with them snapping at one end. So actually this is a bonus that it's a removable cable, so if there's any problems with the cable, doesn't mean that the whole power brick is out of use. So I'm guessing in here we've got some instructions and probably the ubiquitous Mac Apple sticker. Oh, they used to be white, now they're silver. Oh, I could stick that on the front of it maybe like that. Yeah, so this is all things about the power usage and guarantee. I'll save that. Guess this is the instructions. Welcome to your MacBook Pro. It's showing you all about it inside, and yeah, typical Mac instructions there. Work it out as you go along. There's a MacBook Pro Essentials guide at support.apple.com/guide/MacBook-Pro-16-inch. Okay, so let's have a look at this bad boy. So the little blob of dust or grit on top wasn't actually on the MacBook itself, it was on the polythene plastic that covers it all up. This would be so bad if I dropped it on screen. Proof of insurance. Now I've gone for the space grey colour rather than the silver, which is traditionally MacBook's colours. Oh, very, very, very nice, and a little bit of, oh, it's coming on by itself. Clever people, these Californians. Wow, it's got the world's largest touchpad. That's, geez, that must be 6 inches. That's bigger than a big iPhone. Have fun with that. So there's my setup. English, I guess.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Wow, it's talking to me. How clever is that? And this is the touch bar that we're talking about along the top there. So it's got screen brightness controls, keyboard brightness controls, and volume controls. United Kingdom, let's go for that.
macOS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, Press the Command key while you press Touch ID 3 times at the right end of the touch bar. To learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the Escape key.
Let's press the Escape key.
The VoiceOver Quick Start. VoiceOver speaks descriptions of items on the screen and can be used to control the computer using only your keyboard. In this Quick Start, you'll learn the location of important keys on your keyboard and important VoiceOver commands. To advance through the Quick Start panels now, use the arrow keys located to the right of the main keyboard keys. On a portable computer, they're located in the bottom right corner of the keyboard. The up arrow and down arrow keys are positioned one above the other, with the left arrow and right arrow keys on either side. Now continue to the next panel by pressing the right arrow key. To exit at any time and continue setting up your Mac, press the Escape key.
Wow.
Panel 1 of 13.
That's so clever. They managed to get the ghost of Professor Stephen Hawking inside something that's really slim and light and gorgeous. Let's have a look at the next panel.
Practice what you learn. Many Quick Starts panels include an area where you can use VoiceOver to practice the commands you just learned about on the panel. The Quick Start plays a sound to indicate when practice begins and ends. When VoiceOver starts and is ready for practice, you will hear the following sound. When VoiceOver stops, you will hear the following sound. Now continue to the next panel by pressing the right arrow key. Panel 2 of 13.
Okay, well we've got 13 panels to go through, so I'll bring this video to an end. This is very, very gorgeous. I've not even properly used it yet, but I'm in love. Yeah.